I decided to go to the internship program because it was like an opportunity for me to grab. And my family also encouraged me to go to the internship program and also take some experience from other countries. So that was it, my decision to go over there.
I wanted to experience a new culture, as well as challenging myself to go and be in a different setting. Because the nursing homes in Korea are different than the ones in Malaysia, so I just wanted to give myself a challenge.
It's the first country that I want to visit because I'm the big fan for Korean drama, K-pop. So when I hear about this internship, I'm very happy and I'm glad to join this internship.
The people is very nice over there. They treat me very kind and they were very polite. It's like we are family and we go communicate. We want to another, like we know each other very well. And then I was like, oh, the Korean country accept me as a Muslim, and I was like, oh, it's very thankful and welcome here.
Straight away after I went out from the airport, it was so cold. Because it was winter time and the air was different. You can definitely smell the air differently, and yeah, it was great.
Yeah, Korean people are very nice. I like I like their when they talk with us using their language. I'm so excited. Oh, I just hear their language in TV, and then when I hear in face to face, I'm excited.
I am very hard. It's quite hard because we are getting to get used to our working field and also their job, and I am not sure if I do anything wrong. But the staff is very nice and they tell me anything wrong, please give ask us, and then we will correct you, and they will guide us everything according to the hospital policy and all.
I started off my day early in the morning for the patients. I get up and I change their pampers, I give their breakfast, and then following the routine of every single day.
It's quite challenging, but it's okay. I like because it's teach my patience, in my hardworking. I think it's good experience for me.
When the day of my patient who I take care died on the day, there's few people over there and it's quite saddening. But then the family, my friends all encourage me, and we took things positively, and then all the things happen and we just let it go and let it pass willingly.
A patient of mine, because we take care of an elderly, so they usually are very forgetful. So the challenge is that they always forget that we have said something or we have given something to them, but then they will ask again. So this internship was really polishing my patience skills. Like, I have to be really patient with them because I know that they are not doing it just because they want to, but it's because they are usually forgetful.
Wow, it's a good experience. And then the food, and then the food is so nice. Basisha. And especially like me, I'm the Christian, and I can eat all in that. Yeah, that's the advantage for me.
I'm going back to Malaysia. It was like my friends and all the staff, the patient herself, they was like, oh, when will you come back? And I was like, oh, maybe later on, maybe when I have my free time and I will come again.
Staying inside the hospital, because for me, I like the outdoors. I enjoy myself being outside, even though I don't necessarily exercise, but then I really enjoy my time outside, and the fact that we had to stay inside was really frustrating at times. But then I tried to adapt with it because I know that my job there was to take care of them 24 hours and then know that I have my own schedule to get by. So, but that was hard for me, but I tried to adapt.
Especially for the night shift, because for me I experienced like 1 week night shift, but I think it's trained me to become okay. I can do this. I can do this. I think when I want to find job in Malaysia, I think for night shift is it's easy for me because I already experienced like 1 week night shift.
What I miss the most about Korean is absolutely the food and all the people, the kind people who treat me very well, especially the patient family who always ask and very thankful taking care of their parents, and also the staff who make jokes around me when there's hard time, and also the doctor and the physiotherapists who work with us. We work as a team and as a family, so we are very close to each other.
The food, I miss the weather because I am usually so used to Malaysia's hot weather, so to be able to be in a different setting such as Korea, which is cold weather, it was really nice. And even when it's cold, you are rushing to go somewhere warm, but then knowing that outside it will be cold, it was just so precious to me. I don't know why, but I miss the weather.
My patients, Danusa.
I should recommend this to all those who want to take new experience and also learn new things. Maybe not especially in terms of health and nursing care field. Maybe in the term of communication or knowing other culture, outside culture other than Malaysian culture.
Yes, I recommend this internship to those who want to experience a different setting in their nursing skills, I guess, because what we do some of them are the same, but then the people are different, the culture is different, and even the language is different. So if you want to challenge yourself, go ahead for this internship.
Yeah, of course, I will recommend this program to anyone that want to experience new things, especially if you a fan for the Korean drama. You should go.
Prepare yourself to be really lenient or very capable to adapt in any setting. You cannot think that the setting in Malaysia is the same as Korea. You must think that everything is different and I have to adapt it because you are going there for your job. So if you cannot handle it, then it's not for you. Thank you.
Start to learn Korean language, maybe just a little bit like 안녕하세요, apa 괜찮아요, like this, and then maybe just smile, always smile, Insta. 감사합니다.
Welcome to Korea. Welcome to Korea.
안녕하세요.
Polaris, 사랑해요.
I love you, Polaris.
It's not fun.